estimating marketing approaches, right, students?
Yes, sir.
So today we'll try to discuss the estimating marketing opportunities. Then we will go for new product financial control. Okay. So today we will finish these two topics. So next week we can go for implementing new product development and market entry decision and launching and tracking of new product. So we finish these three topics. So that will be finishing your module 3. Okay. So today we will discuss about estimating marketing opportunities. Yesterday I told you about this, right? What is what is market size? What is market growth? What is competition? What is profitability? And what is consumers and product type? So anyway, we'll discuss one by one. Okay, now. So the main thing is whenever you are developing or you are moving to a new product development in the company, so you should be careful. Okay, you should analyze. So you should analyze. Okay, in what way? Okay, we can develop a new product. So regarding to the market size, you should see the market size. So while selecting a product, okay, you should see the market size. What is market growth? Okay, what are the different companies? Okay, so that they are manufacturing the same product. Then what is the profit regarding to that product, as well as consumer and product type. Okay, these are the 5 important points. Okay, you should remember. So when you go for a new product development phase. So first, market size. So you can see, right? See, I think while selecting a product, okay, you should you should see the market size. So if you take soap or shampoo, and if you take uh, if you go for fridge or washing machine, so what is the difference between soap, shampoo, and washing machine, students? Can anyone tell me? So if you select a product, if you want to select a product like soap or a shampoo, or if you go for the like TV or fridge, so what are the difference between these two products? Shampoo.
The main difference is like if you're taking soap, sir, you need to purchase it like quite often, like 1 month, 2 months. Whereas washing machine and fridge can be like 5 years, 10 years.
Yes, good. So we should be careful. Okay, while selecting the products. So we should see. Okay, so in what purpose? Okay, the customers will be buying the product. Either they may buy the soap regularly, like they may use for 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, so regularly for 1 month. Okay, at least they will buy around 3 to 4 soaps, or you can go for shampoos also, shampoo packets, or you can go for shampoo bottles. So this either soap, shampoo, and all they will use regularly. So when you select a product, okay, that should be feasible for the customers. So the customer should buy regularly. So that is the first thing. So when you go for market size, you can see the first point. The first and most important factor to consider while determining marketing potential is the market size of the product. So you should see the market size. So market size is the total market sales potential of all companies put together. So if you select like soap, soap as your product, so you should analyze what are the different companies they manufacture the soap. Okay, so like for 1 day or for 1 month, so how much soaps are sold. Okay, you should consider all companies and you should see how much soaps are selling for 1 month. Then only you can decide. Okay, then only you can think. Okay, you can go. You can select this as your product. So you should plan. Okay, for which product I should go for a new product to develop a new product. Okay, you should do the market size. So what is the product? Which product is selling more? Okay, the market. So what are the different companies they are manufacturing the same product? And you should analyze. So if I select this product, means I can get the profit or not. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, selecting the product. Okay, with respect to the market size. So market size is nothing but for a 1 month. Okay, if you select this product, so what is the sales? So that is happening in the market. Okay, so that is called as market size. Okay, so if you plan to launch a new soap or shampoo, then all the different companies will be our competitors, right? So if see, after viewing that soap is selling around 10 lakh or 20 lakh soaps per month, so then you decide. Okay, then if you decide, okay, I will go for a soap manufacturing company. Okay, then the other company products will become your competitors, right? So right, students.
Yes, sir.
So, and all the combined sales of soaps, including branded and non-branded products, is our complete market size. So market size is nothing but the products which are manufactured in the market regarding to the what you can say to the product. If you select any product, so be careful. So try to analyze for a month how much soap or how much shampoo has been selling in the market. Then only you can analyze, okay, whether I should go to this product or not, whether I can get profit or not. Okay, so how much soaps are selling, so how much profit they are getting for each company. So then you decide a soap manufacturing company. Okay, then you give it, then try to give the better product than the other competitors product. Okay, then you can sustain in the market. So you can go for the second second paragraph. If you are a dealer, see, if you think you are a dealer, okay, dealer of industrial ball bearings, then all the companies which are in manufacturing are potentially our customers, right? So if you take in an area like Bangalore, okay, so if you are a dealer of ball bearings, okay, industrial ball bearings, then all companies which are manufacturing, okay, the ball bearings are our customers, right? Right. So if you find out the number of industries in a region, so if you take Bangalore, so how much companies they're manufacturing the ball bearings? Okay, consider. So there are around 100 companies or 200 companies. Okay, if they are manufacturing the ball bearings, so as a dealer, so what you will do? As a dealer, what you will do, students?
So you provide certain benefits, like if you buy in this patch, like to get the customer, what do you say, loyalty, sir, to buy product from your side.
So dealers is always, so dealers in come later. 12:30 come, okay? 12:30. So as a dealer, what I will do? So I will buy the products from the industry, and I will sell for customers, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I am the dealer, what I will do? Okay, I will go to the 100 companies, and I will see, okay, which product has good quality and less price. So I will buy the products from them. Then I will give the customers. Then I will give the products for the customers, right? So we so you should, so if you say in the Bangalore region, like take a Vijayanagara, or if you may take the Ennore also, okay, your Bangalore plus whatever it may be, okay, you consider this area. So in that area, how much companies are manufacturing the ball bearings? Okay, then you should analyze, okay, which company is giving good product, good quality product, as well as less price. So everyone, okay, all the company which are manufacturing the ball bearings, okay, it is called as competitors, right? For a company, right, students?
Yes,
So
sir.
so if you find out the number of industries in our region, so that is the ideal market size. So if you analyze the companies which are manufacturing the ball bearings, okay, in Bangalore or Bangalore, so this is called market size of that Bangalore region, okay, which we can target when launching a new ball bearing product. Okay, the best way to get market size is to contact local research agencies if it is a small business. So if a company is very small scale industries, okay, then you can contact the research agencies. Okay, then they will give the what you can say, also how much companies are there in the particular area. Okay, directly they will give the information, and they will tell, okay, how much they are manufacturing the products per month. So every information they will give for you. Okay, that is agencies. In if it is in large business, okay, it is better to take market research from the companies. Okay, then you should go to the market, then you should do the market analysis for larger companies, okay, like Infosys, Wipro, and all. Okay, we cannot ask for the agencies. So we should do the market analysis, okay, for big companies or large business. Okay, so determination of market size is the first step to determine market potential. So if you want to select a product, first step is market size, that is for a particular area. So how much companies are, if you select like manufacturing of the what you can say, of the engine part, I assume. Okay, if you go for the system, or if you go for the personal computer, okay, you should analyze for in this area how much companies are there. Okay, how much competitors are there in the particular area. So and how much they're manufacturing per month, and how much they're selling. So you should analyze all this, and how much they're getting profit per month. So if you analyze these things for a particular area, okay, you should do like these things for in your area. Okay, you should analyze how much profit they're getting, how much products they're manufacturing, how much they're selling. Okay, you should get every information. So this is called as market size. So if you do this market size, the first step, then you can know, okay, which product I should select for my company. Next, if you go for market growth rate, so this is very important. Okay, to understand this is very important. The PC. What is PC? Can anyone tell me? What is PC? PC market. What is PC?
So is it the computer based, sir?
Yes, yes. So that's called personal computer. Okay, the personal computer market as compared to the laptop market or the smartphone market is declined, right? If you take the personal computer, okay, I think right now no one is using PC, right? So they're using either laptop, right? Laptop or smartphones, right? So everything, the students are going to the laptop, right? They are taking the laptop. They're buying the laptop. They're not going for PC, right? So right, students. So what is the purpose? So
So the
why
main
they're buying
purpose is
laptop?
like the PC, you need an external source like connected for it to be used, and it's
Yes.
not portable. So laptop you can basically carry anywhere you want.
So this is the advantages. So laptop you can take anywhere. So a PC you cannot take anywhere because it should be fixed at one end. 12:30. Come at 12:30. So PC, okay, PC you cannot take anywhere. Okay, it should be fixed at one end. But a laptop you can take anywhere. So this is the advantage. And okay, wherever you want you can charge. So that is what okay, right now all the students or all the 99% or 100% they are going for laptops or they are going for smartphones. Okay, but PC is declining, right? The personal computers is declining means it's in decline stage, so no one is buying the PC, right?
So but again, like for industry purpose, like an office purpose, they are usually taking PC, sir.
So see, so that is regarding to the for doing some analysis. Okay, but for doing some analysis you want PCs because okay, in companies anyway, so that PC means if they fix at one end, okay, they will not remove, right, in the industries. But I'm speaking with the students. Speaking with the point of the students, not with the industry. So if you take industry, okay, they will take PC. If you take the what you can say academics, okay, academics also, I think they'll take PC, right?
Yes, sir. In schools and colleges, yeah, PC. But if you want it for your personal use, then you take laptops.
yes. I'm telling about the students, how they're thinking. So I think maximum they're going for laptops, and I think if you go for the companies also right now, they're making the work from home. So the almost they're giving the laptops also for the employees right now. Okay, if you go for the MNCs companies, okay, almost 60 to 70% they made work from home right now. So they're giving the laptops for the employees. Okay, so they're converting from the what is it, to regular to regular to the work from home. Okay, so that the PC is declining. I think it is in declining stage. Your PC. So if you go for if you want to start a company and if you select PC, so what will happen? What will happen?
So chances of you making sales will be already less because already it's in less demand in the market.
Yes, good. Only the companies can take the PC, but if you go for students' sake, if you go for companies, right now I told you, now 70% to 60 to 70%, if you ask for your what you can say, if your brother or sister or if your means your friends, okay, are working in some company, you ask them, almost 60 to 70%, they are all the employees are working as work from home, so they given the laptops. Okay, so I think your PC is in declining state. So if you select PC, okay, as your product, then what happens? It will be very difficult, right? So it will be it will be very difficult, okay, for a company to sustain, right? Because it is in declining stage. So again, if you select the PC, okay, if you manufacture also, I think I don't know whether it can sustain in the market or not, right? So you should go. So you should go instead of selecting the PC, you should go for laptop or smartphone, right? So that is
Yes,
what is
sir.
called as so that's what is called as market growth rate. So always you should see if I select this product, so what is the stage of this product, whether this product is in introduction stage or or introduction stage, or it may go for the growth stage or maturity stage or decline. So you should analyze if you select a product, okay, you should see, okay, in which stage this product is been this product as there in the particular year. If you select like PC in 2021, so what is the stage? Whether that is in the decline stage or the introduction stage. If you go for laptop or if you go for smartphone, so you should analyze, okay, which stage does this product meets. So that is very, very important. Selecting the product and trying to analyze in PLC, that is product lifecycle management, okay, where this product lies, whether in introduction stage or new product development phase, or it may go for growth stage, or it may be in maturity or in decline. So PC is in decline, so don't go for PC. Try to go for laptop or smartphone market, right? Right, students. So again, if you take books, so books also, right now 90% of the students, they're trying to buy the ebooks, right? They're downloading the ebooks or PDF, right, to read the to read the course.
Yes, sir.
So this also books. If you go for books, this one books product. So in that also 70 to 80% you'll be under loss, because all the students are trying to buy the ebooks or PDF files, so that they'll download the ebooks and they will read in the system, or you can they can go for they can read in laptop or smartphone. Okay, anywhere. Okay, they will read. So that books, if you select as a product as book, then your company, okay, profit means you cannot make more profit. So that is a second example. So initially books were all the rage, but now they have been replaced by ebooks, and there is hardly any need for physical books. Okay, so the people still love to read them. So some of the people will take, but almost 70 to 80% of students, okay, they will read in the PDF or ebooks. Okay, then when we study market growth, we have to forecast based on the difference between product line extension and a completely new concept in the market. So the market growth rate is subjective and is depends on the type of product we are going to launch. So always you should be always you should remember that if you're selecting a product, okay, it should be of new concept. Means, so if you select a laptop, okay, whatever the design you're making, okay, it should be a new. Okay, you should not copy from other company laptop design, whether it may be design or material used, anything. Okay, it should be different than other companies products. Okay, then only you can sustain in the market. So that's called market growth rate. So you should see which product has which product has high growth. Okay, compared to from last year. So last year the product has sold like 1,000, but this year if you take, okay, if the growth is very high, like 1,000 to 10,000 products, if it is said, so you should try to analyze or you should select that product. Once you select that product, then you try to give a new design or new concept design, or you can use the new material for that. Okay, and you can supply the same product for the customers. So if the customers are very happy regarding to the product quality, product design, or whatever it may be, if they're satisfied, then the company will get high profit. Okay, this is called as market growth rate, market size, market growth rate. So I think everyone understood, right? What is market size and what is market growth rate?
Yes, sir.
So market size is for the particular area. Okay, market growth rate is from last year. Okay, how much it has grown, that the product, how much it has sold well in the market. So you should select that product as your product in for manufacturing in your company. Okay, then profitability. What is profitability? Can anyone tell me?
So the amount of profits you'll be earning through this product. So you
Okay,
should
good.
be able to analyze it. Like after me making such a investment, big investment, I'm able to produce a certain amount of profit.
Okay. So profitability, initially only you can analyze. So if you select like laptops or smartphones, okay, if you take X company and you can analyze for 1 month, okay, how much they're selling, how much they're investing, and how much they're selling. So then you can understand what the profit of that company. Okay, likewise, if you're selecting a product, you should analyze what is the profit, okay, that each company is getting from last 1 year. So they will tell with respect to last 1 year. So this year I got around 1 million or one, so this much profit. So that indicates revenue. So that indicates after manufacturing the products and after selling the products for the to the customers. So this is the return I got. Okay, so this is very important, profitability. So you should analyze what is this profitability. Okay, so if you're going to select some product, kindly look into the profit. So how much profit? Okay, does the company is getting, that a competitor company is getting. So this is very, very important in the industry. So determining the forecasting the profitability is important to understand the market potential. So if you want to select any product, you should see profit. So if you see the profit, then only you can analyze. Okay, if I select this profit, if I select this product, I may get this much profit if I sell around 1,000 products. If I sell 2,000, so what is my profit? So you can analyze initially itself. So how we can analyze by seeing the competitors company, that means company products. So if you do those things, then it will be helpful for you to select a product, okay, which has more profit in the market. So if the business is going to give low profitability, then the volumes need to be high, right? So right, students. So like soaps.
Yes, sir.
So if you go for soap company as shampoo, so there, okay, you will get low profit. So that you should sell high volume, right? High volume to the customers. If you sell high volume, so that you get more profit, right? So if the profit is very less, then you should sell very high, okay, in the market, so that you will get more profit. So you should sell high volume. That is 1 lakh soaps or 2 lakh soaps or 5 lakh soaps, okay, depending upon how much you want the profit. So fix the profit and try to sell the product in the market. So these things you can see in break-even analysis. So I will explain you that also in the coming slides. Okay, volume needs to be high, or if the business is going to give low volumes, then the profit needs to be higher, right? So if you're producing the less products, then you should sell the product with a high price, right? So there is a two terms. One is low volume, okay, low profit. Then you should sell the volume high. And then the next thing is, okay, if means if you're selling low volume, then keep the price high. Like if you go like what you can say, you can go with respect to the
Sir, customized
fridge.
products, sir.
You can go with respect to the refrigeration. You can go with respect to TV. So these are called as, okay, it will sell less, okay, compared to the soap. So that for low volume, okay, you should fix the price high. Okay, so that is very important in the industry. So low volume, if it sells less volume, then keep high price. Okay, then low price, high volume. So this is very important. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, then so this is the okay. So this is the calculations of profitability to determine market potential. So you can use these four, what you can say, four important formulas, okay, to analyze, okay, what is the profit. So return of investment, return on sales, return on net assets, return on capital employed. So these are the four important points you should be remembered, okay, to find the profit. So what is the profit you got, okay, in the industry? So return on investment, what is this return on investment? Can anyone tell me? Return on investment.
Sir, you need to analyze it, like based on your investment you're putting, how much you'll be getting based on it, like the profit. Like if I invest this much today and I manufacture these many products, what is the profit I'll be getting after the recovery of the investment?
Yes, good Satyan. So return on investment is nothing but what you got profit, okay, by how much you were invested. Okay, this is if you do this, you can get the return of investment. So how much you're getting? So you are investing this much this month, and how much you'll get? How much you'll get the profit, revenue? So revenue by the investment, if you do into 100, you can see return on investment. In the same way, return on sales. So return on sales, I think you can see here the equation. So net sales is equal to gross sales minus sales returns and allowance and discount. So if you do this, you will get the net sales of the product. I think everyone is getting right. So net sales you can find by using the formula as gross sales. So how much sales you have done, right? Like how much products has been your sale. Like if you sell like 1 lakh products, okay, the price is 10 rupees, then that is the gross sales, right?
Yes, sir.
So then sales return. So if like company sales, okay, I want to sell around 1,50,000 products, okay. If it sells only 1 lakh for that month, so 50,000 is return, right? Sales return. So that is called sales return. So 50,000 products will be returned back to the company. And allowance and discount means So what are the discounts you are given for the people, like 20% discount, 30% discount. Okay, so that's called as discounts. So if you do this, if you want to find net sale, that is return on sales, will be equal to gross sales minus sales return and allowance and discounts. So if you do this, you will get the net sale for that month. Likewise, next is return on net asset. What is this return on assets? Can anyone tell me?
So those are kind of the profits, no, sir. Even after your initial investment on your you have bought the machines and all those things.
Yes.
How much you're able to sell the product and recover that amount as well.
Most certainly. So asset means nothing but machineries. So what are the machineries you have you are taken in the company? That is called as assets. So assets means you can tell that the fixed cost. So fixed cost indicates monthly. That is the machines what you have in the company. So that's called total assets. So whatever you are invested, like machineries or whatever you take or whatever you are taken to manufacture the products. So return on assets is equal to operating income by total assets. So what is the income you got for that month divided by the total assets? So what you invested to buy the machines or equipments or whatever it may be. Okay, if you do this, you can find the return of assets. Okay, the last is return on capital employed. What is the return on capital employed?
So is it those, sir, like where the number of workers you are getting for manufacturing the product? So the returns you're getting on that, like after selling the product, so you're able to recover some cost from it and use it to pay the customer, like the employees.
For the employees. So this is about return on capital and employment. So how much employees you have in the company. So how much you are paying for each company. Okay, after manufacturing the product, how much for how much money you have saved, how much profit you have got. Okay, if you minus these things, that is total cost invested for all the employees. Okay, minus what you can say the total revenue or total profit what you got. If you do that, you will get the return on capital employment. So these are the four important you should analyze. Okay, when you go for company: return on investment, return on sales, return on net assets, as well as return on capital employment. Next we can go to the next. Next is competition. So you know, right, what is competition? The competition is nothing but the other companies, right? Other companies. So we need to know and understand the competition in an industry to determine the market potential for the product we are going to launch, right? So if you select any product, okay, regarding to the market analysis, whatever you done the market size, or you can go for market growth rate and profitability. So initially you should see all these things for a product, and if you select the product, so once you launch your product to the market, then this competition will come into picture, right?
Yes,
so,
sir.
right, students. So if the industry has high competition, so be careful. Always, if you select a good product, then you will be having high competition. The entry barriers are going to be very high, and at the same time, establishing ourselves will require deep pockets. So you should invest more, right? So you should keep on investing more. So if you select a better good product, like if you go for a car manufacturing company, so if you go for a if you want to open a company regarding to the car manufacturing company, so that is investing. You should invest more, right? So investment will be very high. So if you want to establish yourself in the market, then okay, you should put more amount or more money to manufacture the cars. See, for one car only, it can take around 3 to 4 lakhs to manufacture. So if you want to manufacture around 10 cars, so how much you should invest? 40 lakhs. If you want to manufacture 100 cars, then you should invest around 4 crores. So this is very important. So if you select high competition products, so you should put the more money to establish your company, right, students? So that is very important. So then we need to lower the price of our products, even though we are giving higher value. So what is the meaning of this? Can anyone tell me?
So even though your product is of better quality, but you see like the market is not buying your product, so you might need to reduce the price bit below the actual price you were given to compete in the market.
Good, Sachin. So always you should remember, I told you a number of times, if you're if you're opening a new company, so initially you should give your product in less price. Okay, whether your product is good, whether your product quality is good, as well as your what you can say, everything is good. Okay, but initially you should give with a less price, because competition, because you should see the other competitors company products. Okay, they'll be giving like, so if they're giving the products in like 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs rupees, like car, so you should at least you should lesser down by at least 25,000 or 30,000 rupees. If they're selling 6 lakhs, okay, then you should sell around 5 lakhs, 30,000 rupees. So depending upon how much you're investing, so your investment is around 4 lakhs rupees, so then you can give at 5 lakhs rupees. So that is what I'm telling you. Initially you should invest more money, okay, uh, more amount, okay. Then after certain time, like 3 months or 5 months or 6 months, okay, if the customer knows that your company products are very good, then you can raise your value of the product, or amount of the product, price of the product. Okay, this requires, you can come here. This requires that we have enough money to take it till the till the time competition reach the market. So we should wait. Okay, we should wait till the customers react to your product. Okay, that they should tell, okay, this product is very good. Okay, they should tell for others also. They should convey or communicate everything to their friends. Okay, then only your product will be succeed in the market. So this is very important. Okay, so this is exactly what happens. You can go for the next paragraph. This is exactly what happens when top brands enter industries which were dominated by smaller players. So so if you take a small scale industries, okay, they're only they will be trying to analyze this small what I can say, so they will not go for high competition products. Okay, they will take a small what you can say, smaller product like phone manufacturing company, pen manufacturing company. So these are called as, okay, small industries, okay, small scale industries. So they will select these type of products and they will be trying to sell like pens or phones, okay, everything. So the phones also it will come high. But if you take the pen manufacturing company, okay, so these are called as the small scale industries. Okay, they will manufacture in a bulk, like the 1 lakh pens or 2 lakhs pens, and they'll be selling for 10 rupees. So at least they will be getting around 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees profit per month. So this is what it's very very important. This is what is very important. Selecting the product also, it's very important. So depending upon your investment, so how much you're investing. Okay, so that's also, it's very important in the industry. Next we'll go for next slide. Anyway, I will share this slide, you can read. Then we'll go for next slide. The product, and consumer type. So you can see here, this is what I told you in the first slide, right? You can see here, initially we need to understand that our product is a repeat buying product or one time sale product. Means you should analyze whether my product should sell regularly or it should sell one time, okay, for 10 years. So this is what it's very important. So once you are selecting a product, kindly analyze, okay, what type of product I should select, whether my product should sell every week or every day or or monthly, or it should sell for 10 years. Okay, I told you the refrigeration. So one can buy see, if I buy refrigeration today, then after 10 years I can go for the next refrigeration, right? I can buy the next refrigeration, right? So maximum I can live around 100 years. So I may buy around 100, sorry, 10 refrigeration, right? Maximum. So right, students, in my lifetime. So right, students.
Yes, sir.
So if you go for soaps, so in a year only I can take around 50 to 60 soaps. Okay, because I will use daily. I will use daily the soap, so that for monthly I can use around 4, and for yearly I can use 50 soaps. So if you want to go for the industry, if you want to start a industry, kindly analyze what type of product, okay, I should choose, whether my product should sell for an year, okay, or my product should sell for a day, every day it should sell, or every day the customer should take, the same customer should take, or the customer should take for 1 year, or the customer should take one after 1 week, every week. I think soap is the best example. Okay, every 1 week or 2 weeks, okay, we will be buying the soaps, shampoo also. So this regularly we will buy. But if we go for refrigeration, TV, fridge refrigeration, both are same. Then I'm telling you, okay, So if you go for those products, okay, I'll be buying for 10 years or 8 years, or it may be 5 years. Okay, I'll be taking 5 years or 6 years, and I'll be buying. So this is what it's called, very important, products and consumer type. So you should select a product, okay, regarding to the customer usage. Select a product, depending upon what you can say. So you are keeping a company, so you should analyze what type of product I should select. So this is called as product and consumer type. Okay, like if you go for I think toothpaste, right? Toothpaste everybody will use daily, right? So one may use one time, and his friend may use 2 times per day. So kindly see the what type of product I should choose. Okay, daily or monthly or yearly. Okay, the customer should take daily, or the customer should take weekly once, or the customer should take yearly once. So this is what is very important. Select a product which is going, or which has more demand in the market. Okay, so we'll go for next slide. So this is very important. Yeah, fourth step. This is what I can say for the estimating market opportunities. So you have 4 steps. You should know these 4 main steps. Whatever I explained you now, so it is in the form of 4 steps. Okay, a 4-step approach is skilled through and grounded estimates of market opportunities, and to justify the assumption in the respective industry estimation. So what is that combined top down and bottom up research? Can anyone tell me
So
what is
to
this?
have a better information or grab of the situation, you need to have all the members involved together to like specifically design a particular product. Like they need to know like what steps can be performed. Like the top down approach might just know like whatever product they need, but the bottom people might just have the machines. So based on the machines they have, they need to answer the top people. Like they can only make these products because these are the machines available with us.
Okay, good, Sachin. So top down and bottom up research is nothing but, see, top down is nothing but we will come from top. So if you select the product, okay, then we will tell, okay, I'm selecting a phone product. So that's called as main task. So main task is nothing but, so which type of product you are selecting. So directly I will tell, okay, I'm selecting the phone. So I will not see the subtask, or I will not see the what is the price of the product. Okay, what may be the price of the product, what may be the material that should be used, so how much cost, okay, the competitors are selling to the market. So I will not say anything. So directly I will tell, okay, this is my product, I will be manufacturing the company. So that's called as top down. I should come from top. So first select the product, okay, then go for individual. So what is the cost of the so what is the cost, okay, I should invest to manufacture the product. So what is the material I should use, so how much raw materials are required, how much manpower are required, how much machines are required. I think everyone is understanding it. It's called top down. So first I will select the product. Okay, then I will go to analyze each one point, like cost, material, raw materials required, then how much machines are required, how much the employees are required, right? So this is called as top down. So then bottom up. So then bottom up is nothing but what are the Sachin told. Okay, in the company, okay, I'm having this much machines. Okay, then it will go what type of product I should select. So both you should do in the company. Okay, from bottom up, they should see that is subtask. So what are the machines I'm having, also what are the raw materials I should purchase, okay, how much manpower, how much employees we have in the company. So everything we should analyze, then we can go to select the product. So in the company they will do both the things. Okay, top down and bottom up research. So this is called research. So they will do research by both the method, top down, bottom up. So they will do both also. Okay, to analyze and to select a better product. Okay, so this is what is called as combined top down and bottom up research. So this is very important in the Indian industry. Okay, it should come from bottom up or from top down. So top down is nothing but select a product and try to analyze what are the things I should update, like machineries, then manpower, employees, then materials I should use, and cost, how much cost I should invest. Then here If you select that product, and if you do not have that much money, then what you will do, then you will go for the other product, right? So other product, right, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
So if in bottom up research is nothing, but once I know so what I'm having, okay, depending upon that only I will select the product, right? So these two are very important, from the top down or bottom up research. So you should do both in the industry, so that you can analyze, okay, which type of and what type of product I can select in my company. Then shift focus from sizing the global market to defining the addressable market. What is this? What is the meaning of this?
So rather than focusing on a big market like different states or something like that, first you need to shift your focus towards one particular market, like where you have been located, like your first branch. So you need to know like whether it will sell well over this particular area or not.
Hmm. Good, Sachin. So that is, you should be focused on global market. I think what I told in the second slide, that is this one, right? Your market growth rate as well as market size. So these are the two important points you should remember for your second step two. So always you should know your global market. So if you select a product, so how much it has been selling uh, in a global, as well as see, addressable market is nothing for in particular area. So first you see the global, so how much it is selling that product, and for that particular what I can say area, so how much companies are there in that particular area, and how much the products they are manufacturing, all the companies how much they are manufacturing, and how much sales is happening in that particular area. So you should analyze all these things. That is called as focus. You should focus, okay, regarding to the global as well as to the particular area, so that it will be useful for you to select the product. Next, refine available market estimate into the total serviceable market. What is this?
So this is like finding the number of markets from where you can purchase the material, or like what type of people are selling the products. Like assume it's a retailer shop. So he will search for a place where he has more number of manufacturers which can offer him a different budget, like this particular product in this range and all those things. And again after that, like he can get sub parts from them. So it doesn't need to travel. Like even if someone needs the service, they can get in that particular area rather than waiting, like giving the service for a distant location or at a certain place.
Oh, good, Sachin. So this is refine available market estimate to into total serviceable market. So you should analyze, okay, estimate means you should estimate how much sales can be happen in that particular area, and depending upon that, okay, you can give see, if they want around 1 lakh products. So if you know in your company you can manufacture only like 10,000 or 20,000 products. So other products, the remaining products you can give for other company to manufacture the product, and you can sell for that particular area. So then last is focus on actual financial impact. So finance is very important, right? Your fixed cost, variable cost, everything you should know. So depending on that only, okay, you should decide which product I should go for manufacture, right? So focus on actual financial impact. So you should be careful how much you're investing. So if I select this product, how much I should invest. So how much I should sell to get back the fixed amount or variable amount, whatever it may be. So you should be careful with your financial thing. And next we can see, with the same context as we discussed above, the estimation of market opportunities can also be understood as five-step process as follows. See, first is research the customers and competitions, then get a high-level view of the market, explore adjacent opportunities, understand the business environment factors, find the market research you need fast. So these are the five important steps you should remember. Okay, that is research your customers and competitors. As I told you, get a high level view of market. High level means you should analyze, okay, in that particular area in the market. So how much products, if you select an product, how much product it has been sold in the market, what are different companies products, so how much they are getting profit, everything you should analyze in the second. Then explore adjacent opportunities. Then after getting the viewpoint of the product, then try to get the opportunity. That is, try to analyze the weaknesses of the products, then eliminate those weaknesses in your product, and then you can supply your product for the customers. So that will be that so that that helps for you, okay, to get into the industry, okay, to get into the market. Okay, then understand the business and environment factors. What is this? Can anyone tell me? So understand the business environment factors.
So, like how a particular area might affect your business, like you should know like what other competitors are there in your particular place. Like if you're selling a mobile phone,
Hmm.
so you must know like which other companies are selling phones over there and how it can make an impact on others, like and on your sales.
Okay, good searching. So that's called business environment factor. That is called as, see, today some X company is there. So tomorrow Y company, Z company can come. So we don't know. So suddenly, okay, a new product can come into picture which has more which has more technical. It may sound good from X company or Y company or Z company. Okay, immediately anything may happen. So you should understand everything. So today, tomorrow, okay, every day should be, you should keep high on the market. So what are the different products that has been existing in the market? So what type of technology they used in that product? So those things you should analyze. Then find the market research you need fast. So always you should see, okay, today, so you're supplying some product, a product. Then from tomorrow you should you should keep eye on market. Okay, should you research? So what type of product the other company is living, as well as what type of so what are the new companies, so that's been establishing every day. What type of new product they're supplying, everything you should go to your market and you should do the market analysis. So these are very, very important. So this is called as you are estimating market opportunities. Okay, so you should know all these things. So once you go to the market, okay, to select a product, you should be careful in all these terms. So these 5 points are very important about the competition. So the competitors' profit, you should know the profit of that product. You should know the market growth rate of that product. You should know the market size, market growth rate, profitability, competition, then product and consumer type. So what type of product you should select. So if you know these things, then only uh, you can go for a new product development. Yeah. Then new product financial control. So what is this? Can you tell me? What does this name suggest?
So is it like you need to select a product in such a way that you can actually use your facilities and get profit from it? So it's just the way like which product you must select in your manufacturing industry.
So if you select some new product, okay, what are the different types of activities you can do, and you can control the money, or you can control the finance. So if you go for designing part, you want to invest money for a new product development. Okay, you should invest money for design thinkers. Okay, design thinking team, because they should go out and they should empathize with customers. For that, you want money. For manufacturing the product, you want money. For designing, you want money. For analysis, you want money. For testings also, okay, you should invest money. And for marketing, okay, marketing in the sense of for advertising your product, for that also you want money, right? See, everywhere your finance will come into picture. So right, students? So right.
Yes, sir.
So you should know. So this is a new product. If you want to develop a new product, so that's the result of various activities. Okay, so like engineering, designing part, manufacturing, testing, marketing, everywhere. Okay, you should invest the money for a new product. So it's important to plan the investment for making the new product and control the cost carefully. So this topic, new product financial control, okay, you are studying because to how you should know how to control the cost. So if you're manufacturing a new product, so how much you should invest in the designing part, how much I should invest in the design thinking process, how much I should invest in the manufacturing, how much I should invest in the testing, okay, how much I should invest in the marketing. Everything you should know initially. Okay, and once you select the product, there itself you should write down. So what is the investment, okay, what I'm investing for each process. So materials, how much I should invest. Then manufacturing, for machineries, how much I should invest. Testing, okay, for equipment, for testing, how much I should invest. Marketing, okay, while doing marketing like advertisement, how much I should invest. Everything initial only you should write down. Then only you can know then only you can carefully see. So for producing the one product, how much I should invest, like that. Okay, if you do, you can control the finance of your for your new product development. So for that sake, you're studying the new product financial control. Okay, NPD indicates new product development. Okay, NPD requires a more sophisticated and detailed business analysis that is helps to determine various costs involved in the proposed NDP, that is new product development, and forecast profits from the product in future financial year. So initially, if you do these things, okay, then in future, like after 3 months or after 2 months, you can analyze how much profit I may get, okay, in future. So initially, if you do, so this is the cost I am investing while manufacturing a new product. So then if you take the if you do the break even analysis, immediately you can analyze for 1 month how much I should sell. Okay, if I sell this much, how much I will get the profit. So for doing this, you want new product financial control. Okay, so what is the estimations? You can see around there are 6 points. Estimate the present financial status of the company. Financial feasibility is analyzed by developing cost estimation based on designer's idea. For investment required at each stage of the product development is estimated. Framing the cost benefits discussions need to be take place between the product development team and senior management to move the product to the developing process. Estimate the total cost involved in all stages. Analyze the cost for various risks associated with NDP, new product development, and launching, and estimate feasible market share and forecasting the demand. Can anyone tell what is the 5th point? What is the estimated total cost involved in all stages? Students, anyone?
So it is like estimating the cost you might require for advertising your product, manufacturing your product, and all those things involved, sir.
Yes, from the initial stage, from the design thinking stage to the marketing stage. See, design thinking, then product design engineer, you will design the model, then you will go for analysis, then after that it will come to manufacturing, then testing, then a marketing, till it reaches to the market. So this how much a company is investing for the product. So that is called as estimated total cost involved in all stages. If you do this, if you add all this cost, so you will get the total cost of the product. Okay, so these are 6 points you should remember. So estimate the present financial status of the company. So now, okay, today how much is the finance they have, how much money they have, okay, how much assets how much assets they have, and how much money they have in the bank balance. So everything will come under the estimate the present financial status of the company. Okay, from I think it's 11:45. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, I will continue from this. I think next Monday. Okay, so if I do this, this is over. Then we'll go for the next one. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll take the attendance. So if you have doubts, you can ask me. I'll give another 1 minute. So you can ask the doubts.
No doubt, sir.
So once I finish this third module, I'll share the notes as well as the presentation in the Google Classroom. Okay, you can download there. Okay, thanks, students. You can leave the class. Okay, you can attend the next class.